Getting a visa slot or booking a visa appointment is a real headache these days. And those who are waiting since months, I can definitely understand your frustration. So in this video, we will discuss a few tips and few tricks which will give you an edge in booking the visa slots. And especially if you are a student waiting for your visa for your fall program, you must watch it. Hello, Namaste, welcome to my channel. I am Pragnya, your visa and immigration guide. If you're interested in any topics related to visas, immigration, studying abroad, working abroad, then definitely hit the subscribe button and I will keep you updated with all the latest news. I have already made a video on tips and tricks of how to book a visa appointment. So these points are definitely in addition to that. I will also give you the link for the first video. In case you have not watched it, you can definitely go and watch it. So the very first tip in booking your visa appointment is using the incognito mode. Yes. So first of all, just clear all your cookies and all your history and try opening the page on your incognito mode and then try to log in and book the visa appointment. There are high chances that you will be able to successfully book your visa appointment by using the incognito mode. The second tip is using the earliest available OFC date. So it's very rare it happens that you are seeing dates and you are able to go to the next page. Whenever it happens, you select a particular date, then you go to proceed, select the time slot, and then you are supposed to get a consular appointment. But then it shows that dates are not available. This is a very common error and common problem that is happening to everyone. So when it happens, whenever you see the OFC dates, just try to book the very first date available, because whichever date you choose, you will be seeing the dates after that in your consular appointment page. So try to book the earliest available date, or whichever date is by default selected, go with that. You have to be real quick, because whenever the slots are coming, this is just finishing very soon. So whichever, if by default there is some date, go with that, do not change. Or if you have to really select a date, go with the earliest so that you get more options whenever it comes to the consular appointment date, and be real quick. And the third tip that comes along with this is that refresh your page. So whenever you choose a date and after that when you go forward, usually it happens that you can see an error. It will show that the page is having an error and you will not be able to move forward. So what happens generally in that case, you move back to the OFC page again. So you are losing your number of clicks, so you don't go press the back button in that situation. Rather go for the refresh button and keep refreshing the page. Ultimately it will hit, ultimately the page will load. So this is also a trick, I can say. People have used it and they have been successful by using this trick. So, and there is absolutely nothing to lose if you are using this trick. So keep refreshing, maybe you will click it. So I hope these tricks will be helpful to you, and I hope you will be able to book a visa slot this time before the bulk opening. Make sure you monitor 24/7. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and on YouTube so that I will keep you updated when and where there is any big news or updates. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.